When you're unsure if someone is a true friend, it indicates that there have been incidents that have caused doubt in the friendship. To determine if your friend is genuine, spend time together and observe their willingness to make an effort. If they consistently make time for you, it's a good sign. However, if they frequently make excuses or cancel plans, it suggests they may not value the friendship. You can also test their behavior by tagging along with them and seeing how they react. Additionally, invite them to a party at your place and see how they interact with you. It's important to remember that true friendship is not only about how someone acts when you're present, but how they behave behind your back. Another aspect to consider is if your friend tries to control you or manipulate your actions. A genuine friend will allow you to be yourself without judgment or pressure. Trust your instincts and assess the balance of the friendship to ensure it is not one-sided. Ultimately, your feelings and comfort are paramount in determining the worth of the friendship.